Part 1. Introducing building element. External walls are used to separate the interior from the exterior of a building. In buildings with a skeleton load-bearing system, the exterior walls are not load-bearing. Therefore, the construction materials are chosen as light as possible. The middle layer of the exterior walls is responsible for the stability of the wall. Other layers, which are different on the inside and outside of the building, give the wall features such as resistance to moisture and heat transfer, beauty, smoothness, etc. Part 2. Implementing details. The steel frame of the wall has horizontal members called runners and vertical members called studs. The members are made of cold-formed steel, which is known as LSF structures. The most common cross-sectional shapes are C and U. The frame members are usually connected to each other with angle-shaped connections and screws. The distance between the vertical members is usually 60 centimeters. Prefabricated gypsum boards are installed on the LSF structure. These boards are connected to the LSF structure using screws. The screws used are 2.5 centimeters long and 30 centimeters apart for installation. On the first layer, moisture-proof prefabricated gypsum boards are installed. These boards are attached to the LSF structure using screws. The screws used are 4 centimeters long and 30 centimeters apart for installation. The final layer is the clay-based tile, which is attached to the wall with adhesive. Tiles are used for spaces such as kitchens, bathrooms, and toilets. The jointing is done according to the color of the tile with cement mortar and stone powder in a ratio of 1:6, with a width of 2 to 3 millimeters. On the outside of the building, first the moisture-proof prefabricated gypsum board is installed. Then, for the proper connection of the cement sand mortar, which is applied to connect the stone tile for facade to the wall, the rabbet fencing is properly attached to the prefabricated gypsum board. The stone tiles are attached to the wall using cement sand mortar in a volume ratio of 1:4. The mortar thickness is about 3 centimeters and is applied in 2 to 3 passes. To properly connect the stone tiles to the mortar, the back of the stone is restrained with wire or suitable metal pieces. The gap between the stones is filled with cement mortar and stone powder in a volume ratio of 1:6. Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.